Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we share with you 4 colourful rainbow room decor ideas for your American Girl dolls. See how to make cute wall art, display shelves, a rug, and rainbow bookends. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow.
Shine lollipops and rainbows, everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together.
For the rainbow bookends, we gathered circular containers and lids in various sizes. On paperboard, trace around the largest one to start the arches of your rainbow. Take the next size down and repeat until you get to the smallest arch. We drew 5 arches since we are working in doll scale. Cut out. This will be your template. Next, trace the largest semicircle onto paperboard 4 times. Now cut off the top ring and trace again onto paperboard 4 times. Keep going till you get to the smallest one. Once you have cut out all your pieces, take 2 of each size to make one side of the bookend. Measure and draw a line through the center of the semicircle, then cut in half. Glue the quarters together. Here we are building up dimension and strength. Do the same for all your semicircles. To paint, we chose a pastel palette for our rainbow, but you could do bold, vibrant colors if you prefer. Take each quarter circle and paint the corresponding color. Pink for the largest, yellow for the next, green, blue and lavender for the smallest quarter. Be sure to paint the arched edge as this will be visible in the end. Set them aside to dry. To assemble, put glue on the back of your yellow quarter circle and adhere to the pink, making sure the corner and sides align. Repeat the process, layering all the coloured pieces. This makes the right front of the bookend. Join together with the back pieces. Take your remaining cutouts and repeat to make the left side of the bookend. Following this, cut 2 rectangles of foam board and glue your bookends on top. For added detail, we cut, stacked and painted little clouds. Attach these with liquid glue to the outside of the rainbow arch. Our bookends are looking super cute, but let's clean up the inside by gluing on another rectangle of foam board. As we have so many layers of paperboard, the bookends are super sturdy and hold up our little doll books perfectly. To make rainbow themed wall art, take more recycled paperboard and draw a cloud shape. Next, sketch a smaller cloud inside so we can cut out this shape, giving us a frame about 1/2 centimeter wide. Trace and cut 3 more frames, then glue them together. Give your cloud a coat of white paint. It's optional, but when the paint has dried, cover the frame with liquid glue, then sprinkle on white iridescent glitter. For the rainbow element, we are using yarn. For each colour, cut 3 30cm lengths. Starting with your middle piece of yarn, in our case green, fold the length in half and slip the loop under the frame. Feed the tails through the loop as seen on screen and pull gently to tie the knot. Keep threading the yarn onto the frame, working from the center out to make the rainbow. When all your yarn pieces are tied on, trim the tails to make them even. Adhere to the dollhouse wall with blue tack, or I've also heard it called poster putty. For a rainbow rug, we are using these vibrant A4 size felt sheets sold in a pack of 12 from Kmart. Cut a 4cm strip of each colour and pin onto an extra sheet of felt. Machine or hand stitch around all 4 sides, attaching the strip to the base. Next, stitch each coloured panel to the base. Once the coloured strips are secure, fold your rectangle in half horizontally. We want to sew along this crease. This will give our rug extra stitching detail and also better adhere the pieces to the base felt. Fold the felt into quarters and stitch along these lines as well. The rug fits perfectly under our DIY My Life As desk, adding a wonderful pop of colour. To make a display shelf, cut a 7cm square and a 7x2cm rectangle from foam board. In pencil, sketch a paint drip design along your square piece. For this shelf, paint everything below the line yellow, and your rectangular piece too. Since this is a rainbow decor video, we had to pay respect to the Queen of Rainbows herself, Moriah Elizabeth. Our shelf designs are inspired by Moriah's cubed storage boxes. I'll leave a link to her video in the description box below. For a fake box handle, cut a narrow strip of poster board. Bend in the ends to give it dimension, then glue center top of the square. Adhere the rectangle for the shelf's ledge. Here we made Moriah's pink sprinkle design, a blue box with polka dots, and a purple box with stars using a white gel pen. Again, put blue tack on the back to temporarily adhere the shelves to your dollhouse walls. Get busy bringing lots and lots of colour to your dollhouse room with these fun rainbow-themed decor ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!